Now read without spelling, okay? From here. These 3 lines. Start from here, like za, zi. Read it.
Za, zi, zo.
Stretch it. Stretch.
Za, zi, zo.
Very good. Next.
Za, zi, zo.
This zal read in soft voice, okay? The tip of your tongue should touch your upper teeth. Za, zi, zu.
Ta, ti, to.
Not ta. Za, za. Za.
Za, zi, zo.
Next.
Za, zo, za, zi, zo.
In thicker voice, okay? Lua, li, lu.
Toa, ti, to.
In thicker voice, it's zua. It is zua, but read in thicker voice.
Toa,
Zua, zua.
toa, ti, to.
It is zua.
Za, zi, zo.
Next.
Sa, si, so.
Very good. Next line.